Imagine you're 20 years old. You worked almost every single day for an entire year, skipped vacations, yet stopped buying stupid things, and somehow managed to save your first $5,000. You promised yourself one thing: you're finally buying a real car, not another boring hatchback, not another 90 horsepower economy car, a BMW. Every night after work, you open Facebook Marketplace. Audi A4, that Mercedes C-Class. Then you see it. A black BMW E60, 270 horsepower, leather seats, navigation, freshly washed. The owner says it has been well maintained. You don't even finish reading the description. You're already calling him. The next day, you drive home feeling like you've made it. People stare at the car. Your friends can't believe you bought it. For the first time in your life, you actually enjoy driving. Every tunnel becomes an excuse to hear the engine. Every empty road feels like a racetrack. Life couldn't be better. For exactly 8 days, one morning, a small yellow light appears on the dashboard. It can't be anything serious. You tell yourself, the car still drives, so you ignore it. A week later, another light, then another strange sound, then a tiny oil spot under the car. Suddenly, owning your dream BMW doesn't feel like a dream anymore. Your weekends change. Instead of road trips, you're searching BMW forums at 2 a.m. Instead of buying clothes, you're buying sensors. Instead of saving money, you're learning what words like vanos, diesa, and cooling system actually mean. And trust me, you never wanted to learn them. Here's the funny part. You don't hate the car. Actually, every time you fix one problem, you fall in love with it all over again. You wash it, take photos, go for late-night drives. Then, another problem appears, and the cycle starts again. That's why the BMW E60 is such a strange car. It can give you some of the best driving experiences you'll ever have, while also giving you some of the worst days as an owner. It isn't just transportation, it's almost a relationship. Some days, you absolutely love it. Other days, you search, how much can I sell my BMW for? So, should you buy one? If your last money is those $5,000, probably not, because buying the car is only the beginning. But if you understand what you're getting into, if you keep money aside for repairs, and if you genuinely love driving, the E60 might become one of the most memorable cars you'll ever own. Not because it's perfect, but because every single drive feels like it has a story